In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create pie charts with Notion I. To get started, open your Notion page where you want the chart to appear. In this example, we are working inside a simple to-do list page, but the same process works in any Notion page, document, or workspace where you can add blocks. Once you are on the page, click into the area where you want to place the pie chart. You just need an empty line so Notion knows where to insert the content. If you already have text on the page, you can click below it to create a new line or click between blocks to position the chart exactly where you want it. Now you are going to bring up Notion AI. Type a / on your keyboard to open the block command menu. Then choose the option called Ask AI. This is the built-in assistant that can generate content for you, including chart code. After Ask AI opens, click into the prompt area and type a clear instruction for the chart you want. For example, you can write, create a pie chart in Mermaid showing task status. 50% done, 50% to do. The important details are the chart type, which is a pie chart, the format, which is Mermaid, and the categories with their values. You can use any categories you like, such as budget breakdowns, project phases, or survey results. Just make sure the numbers add up in a way that makes sense for a pie chart. Submit the prompt and let Notion AI generate the Mermaid code for your chart. You will see a block of text that looks like code, usually starting with something that indicates it is a pie chart. At this point, you have the chart instructions, but you still need to visualize them. To display it as an actual chart, convert that output into a Mermaid block. The key idea is that Notion can render Mermaid code when it is placed inside a Mermaid code block, turning your text into a visual pie chart. Once it is converted, the pie chart will appear right on your page. If you want to adjust the chart, edit the values or labels in the Mermaid text, and the chart will update based on those changes. That covers everything you need to know.